Okay, I'd like to start this video by thanking everyone who've subscribed to my channel and the people who have submitted comments. One or two people asked me whether I was intending fitting any accessories to the Bonneville, and I've done that. I wasn't intending to, but I have. I was very fortunate. I came across the Prestige kit on eBay, £300 cheaper than list price. I hadn't intended fitting this kit, but for £300 saving I couldn't really resist it. So we've got all the bits and pieces on. You'll notice I've removed the grab rail. I think it tidies the bike up a hell of a lot, taking that off. Fitted the LED indicators on the rear and on the front. They took me about an hour to fit both pairs. It's a doddle, not hard at all. Yep, so in the Prestige kit you get those indicators, you get this comfort seat which is all stitched and has got the Triumph logo in stitching. To be honest, it's no more comfortable than the original seat, it's just a bit more classy. I've bought a tank bag, which is a lovely piece of kit, this leather and waxed material. I always prefer a tank bag. I hate riding with rucksacks on. I don't like feeling all encumbered and uncomfortable, and I'm not keen on top boxes. In the kit you get these 4-bar Triumph badges, which are rather fancy looking. You also of course get all these embellishments for the carburetor bodies, alternator cover and clutch cover on the other side. Yep, and you get the Vance Hines silencers. Visually there's not a lot of difference, apart from the fact the tailpipe's slightly shorter and it's a bigger diameter. The brackets on the Vance Hines, the hangers, are actually part of the silencer they welded on, whereas on the originals they just bolt on, and everything's chromed. Yeah, I bought a knurled oil, oh hell that's hot, oil cap. I've also fitted, because I thought it was going to help keep the engine cleaner, I fitted this Sump Guard. I went for a matte black one because I didn't want it to look obvious that it was there, and it blends in quite nicely with the frame and the black engine casings, so it doesn't keep a great deal of muck off off the engine though, because all the crap goes through the two holes in the front. If anything, it makes it more difficult to clean the engine, but you live and learn. Anything else? Not that I can think of. So around this side you've got the cover there that trying to think what used to be on. There used to be the alternator on the old bikes. Yeah, and I bought a new one of those CNC machined clutch brackets, clutch cable brackets. Wasting my money. Right, now I can't think of anything else to tell you about modifications, apart from the fact I'm still waiting for me new mirrors to come, but hopefully that shouldn't be too long. Now, with regards to these Vance Hines silencers, I've only just fitted them. Took me about half an hour to put them on. Doesn't take much time at all. And when you're spending that kind of money, I mean, there's £610 list price. So if you want to spend £610, nice to know why you're spending £610. Generally with silencers you're looking at something that improves the looks of the bike no end, and or improves performance, and or makes a nice sound. The silencers look more or less identical to the original, so you wouldn't want them to look any different to spoil the look of the bike. So it only leaves two. That's the performance and the sound. Performance wise, I would say it is a bit better. Yeah, it accelerates pretty sharpish, not that it didn't do before, so it's marginal, any improvement in performance. As for sound, well, I have done a couple of recordings. I did a recording this morning with the standard silencers, and I've just completed another recording with the Vance Hines, and I'm going to stitch them onto the end of this video, and you can decide for yourself whether there's an improvement in the sound from the bike, and if you're considering fitting the exhaust, the silencers, well, it might help you make a decision one way or the other. So I'm going to sign off now, and I'll say I'm going to stitch these couple of videos on the end. So again, thanks a lot to everyone who's subscribed and have commented, and good luck to you all and safe riding. Right, this is the sound of the standard exhausts. I'm just going to have a run around now to give some idea what they sound like. Right then, same road, only these are the Vance Hines silencers, so let's see what these sound like.